everyone. How's everyone doing today? Awesome. I'm glad you guys came out for our presentations. Your presence is very appreciated, and I'm glad you guys are here. Today, I came to you to present to you my app, Currency.io, and we're on a mission to give new traders an advanced edge in the foreign exchange markets here. A little bit about me. I'm a full-stack software engineer. I have experience trading foreign exchange and cryptocurrencies. I've been an athlete most of my life, and I've had my wins and losses in both fields. How many people here have ever traded before? Now, how many people have ever taken a loss in a trade? Has anybody had had one of those sheesh moments where you look down at your trade and you're in the red and you're like, sheesh. Trust me, I've had plenty of those, and they're not fun at all. So one of the problems that I realized as a new trader just getting involved with the foreign exchange markets was not only learning how to trade, but also learning what to trade. What currency pairs fit my style the best. Also learning how certain currency pairs move. Is it a very volatile pair? Is it a pair that doesn't really move much throughout the day? That was another variability with learning how to trade and understanding the markets. Also, which countries these currency pairs correlated with. So learning like which market affected this currency pair, which country is moving at this time, how is this currency pair moving and what's causing it to move. So the solution that I came up with and that Currency.io aims to solve is giving people simple but informative insight on the currency pairs and just giving people that nice introduction into the currency pair markets. So we also allow the user to create a currency pair strategy log where they're able to keep track of their currency pairs and which currency pairs that they're trading currently, and just giving them a little bit more discipline and more insight on when they're trading and what currency pairs they are trading. So here's the web app here, and we're gonna do a quick demo. Yes. Currency. So here we have our currency pairs listed here, and we're gonna scroll through here. Let's do CAD JPY, which is a minor type currency pair, which means that it doesn't have very high trading volume, which means a lot of traders don't really trade this pair, but you can still make money if you're knowledgeable on the pair. It also has a moderate volatility. So here we'll select this. And as you can see, when you select a currency pair, it puts it down inside of our currency pair strategy log, where you can actually select multiple currency pairs and put them all inside of a strategy here. So let's do a GBP and ZD, which is another minor but high volatility. And then we'll come through here. And then we'll do a USD, which all USD pairs are normally major because USD takes up the majority of the foreign exchange markets. So we'll do USD JPY here. And then we'll come down here and then we'll create the strategy. And as you can see, the strategy gets logged and you can see it inside of your profile page. And now the user has access to their currency pair strategy that they've just now created. And we'll come back here, Command Tab. So the tech stack that I use for this app, I use Firestore document database, which I use to store my currency pairs and the currency pair strategies. I use Node and Express for the RESTful API. Deployed on Firebase hosting. For the front end, I use React.js. Also, I use Bootstrap component library, which I use to help me style with some of the CSS. Bootstrap helped me out a lot with the carousel, and I implemented cards also with that as well. Very interesting process. Also along with my own CSS. So for the future of the app, what I plan on doing is creating a community page where now not only are your strategies that you create only accessible to you, but they're accessible to the community once you make them public. If you want to decide to make a strategy that's very successful and doing very well for you, and just make it known to the other users. Also, real-time data instead of the demo data that I have now, which I would have implemented originally in the app, but unfortunately the real-time data costs money. make it mobile as well, because I feel like the app would definitely do well on the mobile side. I think just the carousel and everything just is very user friendly and just makes it a fun app to use. Another thing, I would love to add AI suggestion, which would actually keep a log of the currency pairs that you tend to favorite and just give suggestions on which currency pairs kind of correlate with those same currency pairs, and just giving it more user-friendly implementation as well. A trading bot, which actually can take trades for you, which is another route that I'm really excited about going down. And then just deleting outdated strategies that you found out didn't work for you, strategies that you found out just weren't really good, and things that are in the past. So thank you. Thank you for coming to my presentation. If you want, you can scan this QR code here, and it will take you to our Boca Code candidates page where you can find my LinkedIn, my resume, and my GitHub. I suggest you go there as well because we have a lot of wonderful candidates here as well. So. Yeah.